question for the colored people in this app. Why is it racist to say colored people? You yourselves call yourself people of color, which is literally the same thing. And even the NAACP calls himself the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People. Now, personally, I'm very supportive of the advancement of colored people.
This is an excellent question that you asked in a really shitty way. We can make assumptions as to why. You could have looked this up in 90 seconds, but let's go ahead and talk about it. In the early 1800s, the word colored was used to refer to Black Americans over, let's just say, some more harsh and mean terms that has historically been used to refer to Black Americans. The word was seen as relatively reasonable and, passive and even polite way up through like the mid 1900s or so. The reason the NAACP is called the NAACP is because it was founded in 1909 when that term was seen as a reasonable and polite term. Over time, that term became antiquated. The term Negro became popularized. Colored sort of fell out of fashion overall, but also it heavy-handedly fell out of fashion because people started using it as a pejorative slur. That's why we use person-first language now, and we say people of color, because we are trying to indicate that before we qualify someone as different due to their skin color, they are a person that just so happens to be of a color other than white. Maybe if a bunch of racist peepals and meemaws and angry white people that historically, if given the option, would be wearing really ugly red hats, hadn't used that term as a pejorative, we may still be using it today. But that didn't happen because America has a racism problem. But you would know that if you weren't stuck in a bubble of Chad Kyle dude bros that want to ask stupid and questions that really and truly don't sync up with reality. You're just trying to rile up all of your red hat. How'd I do? Does that answer the question for you?